Unleash the power of strategic Bitcoin trading with Crypto Flow Zone. The world of traditional investments is changing, and Bitcoin is leading the revolution, but how do you navigate its volatility and maximize returns? Crypto Flow Zone is your ultimate guide to mastering Bitcoin trading through a structured, step-by-step program. We help investors transition from underperforming assets to high-potential digital opportunities with expert strategies. What you'll learn: Bitcoin's unique market cycles and how to profit from them. Proven trading techniques to minimize risk and maximize gains. How to avoid scams and identify the most promising crypto assets. The power of strategic trading with Bitcoin Magazine Pro, Rekt Capital analysis and by TBO Power Law insights. No more guesswork. No more fear. Just smart trading. So what are our service and training offerings? Our training program consists of 12 expert-led modules to help you become a confident Bitcoin trader. Module 1. Digital Assets and Blockchain Unveiled. Learn how Bitcoin and Ethereum are reshaping finance. Module 2. Ultimate Guide to Crypto Exchanges. Find the best platforms for safe and efficient trading. Module 3. Top Crypto Wallets. Secure your digital assets with confidence. Module 4. Beginner's Guide to Trading Bitcoin. Start with the basics and build a solid foundation. Module 5. Exploring Bitcoin Investments. Understand chart observations and price movements. Module 6. Crypto Trading Styles. Choose the best strategy: day trading, swing trading, derivatives and more. Module 7. Bitcoin Magazine Pro Insights. Learn expert-backed techniques and market trends. Module 8. Technical Analysis Basics. Master charting strategies used by Rekt Capital. Module 9. Bitcoin Power Law Strategy by TBO. Identify long-term price trends and key accumulation zones. Module 10. How to avoid crypto scams. Protect your assets from fraud and rug pulls. Module 11. Trading tips and common mistakes. Improve decision-making and avoid costly errors. Module 12. Bringing it all together. Leverage the best tools and insights for strategic Bitcoin trading success. Your journey to profitable Bitcoin trading starts here. Why learn to trade BTC strategically with us? Here are the major benefits. Bitcoin is the best performing asset. It has outpaced stocks, gold, and real estate over the last decade. Unmatched growth potential. Bitcoin's long-term trajectory offers higher returns than traditional markets. Predictable 4-year cycles. Understanding these patterns helps traders plan smarter strategies. Powerful trading tools. Learn to use Bitcoin Magazine Pro charts, Power Law insights and Rekt Capital analysis. Financial freedom on your terms. Take control of your wealth and break free from traditional finance constraints. Learn to use Bitcoin to accelerate early retirement. Unlike traditional investments controlled by financial institutions, Bitcoin empowers individuals to participate directly in wealth creation, without intermediaries. Crypto Flow Zone will help you get there and crystallize those dreams. Join the movement with CryptoFlowZone.com. The future of crypto is being shaped by those who take action now. Our mission is to empower investors, educate traders, and revolutionize the way people interact with Bitcoin. Are you ready to be part of something bigger? What's your biggest challenge in crypto trading? Comment and discuss with our growing community. Join us in shaping the next era of finance. Crypto Flow Zone isn't just a platform, it's a movement. Will you be part of it? Start your Bitcoin trading journey today at CryptoFlowZone.com.